1939 Ford pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. We don't get a lot of these through. I believe this is a model 85 they considered it. The same body style as 38. There you can see it in the insignia. Kind of a pewter with a little bit of rose to it. It's a great looking color on this era truck, no doubt about that. Really sets it off. Flathead V8 underneath the hood, 59 AB. Flathead heads on there. 3-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille. Headlights, bumper. These are working as a turn signal indicators. This does have turn signal indicators on it. Still 6-volt system. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Ford V8 wheel covers, beauty rings, wide white wall tires. When you're looking through the still pictures, take your time looking at the underside of this truck. Very nicely done underneath there. So nice and clean underside. Take a peek at the interior. Kind of a pine green seating area and door panels. We'll get around to the driver's side where we can check that out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a drive at the very end of the video so you can see how this goes down the road. We're going to put the camera in there, take you for a virtual ride if you will. See that side mounted spare over there on the passenger side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you got a look at the wood bed, also in nice shape. You'll be able to take your time looking through the still pictures of that. We'll have the tailgate down showing you. Box of some miscellaneous things that are going to come with it. Looks like some touch-up paint, the license plate bracket, rear tail light, a couple extra wheel covers. I will put that box back in the truck, so it will go to the next owner along with it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through those still pictures once again. Another thing, if you like these old 30s vehicles, whether it be a pickup or maybe a street rod, maybe like late model sports cars or muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what may pop up on there that you get to watch a video of. The videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase online or our showroom floor when the videos are uploaded. So have fun and enjoy them if you like old cars, sports cars, muscle cars. And you can see the paint shows well on it. I have not noticed any major, dents, scratches, anything like that. You might have a touch-up or an imperfection here or there, but overall, this one shows well. Of course, the hood latch on these is right here on top of the hood. And we're going to open that here in just a bit, show you that engine bay. But first, we're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Runs like you'd expect a flatty, smooth door panel. Again, kind of in that pine green. Matches the seat cushion. There are seat belts in this one up front, as you can see. Mentioned earlier, turn signal set up on this. Temp gauge does work down here, basically thermometer. And down here there is an oil pressure gauge. Had that working also. And I believe amp meter gauge did. Fuel, and then there's another oil pressure up there. I believe we're in op. So let's go ahead. I am in neutral. I have the ignition switch on right there. Of course, the key is just locking the cylinder. Once you would slide this over, the key would lock it. Key doesn't really have anything to do with starting it, just the fact you can on and off on the ignition. Push button start is right here. Also a choke and throttle. And center one is actually a lighter. Would have the vent to the cab. I just pushed it a little way so you can see that it opens. That's the lever underneath the dash. Right here. All right. Door latches nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Man, this would be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Like I said, you don't see them like this every day. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. I'm going to show you this. Hood open, check out that engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this truck for a drive. All right, now I mentioned the hood latch earlier. Got the hood ornament / hood latch turned, as you can see. And then it's just a matter of flipping up. Kind of cool, so that's where the hood latch is at. There it is. Flathead V8. Love these things when they're just purring. Nice quiet idle. Single carb up top. And the 6-volt system. And you'll be able to see the engine bay picks along with the rest of the still picks. And like I said, there's underside, engine bay, interior. Take your time looking through them. Especially look at those undersides. This truck was nicely done on the underside. Looks good. 1939 Ford pickup. What, model 85? Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1939 Ford pickup truck. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Factory looking gauges for the most part, speedometer working. The temperature gauge is actually what looks like mercury that rises in a glass lens. Very cool. Oil pressure below the dash is idling at about 25 to 28, which is about right. Let's see how she does on the highway. Smooth running, smooth idling truck. Clutch feels good, shifts nice, smooth. Cloth bench seat in this truck. Color match to the doors, headliner. Nice wood handled shifter. Wood here on the dash as well. Brakes are working well. Go down to second.